Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was just thinking about it as I was making this. I also want to show you how to do this in list comprehension. So let's just knock this out. So let's do y equals, alright, list comprehension. If you haven't seen this, go watch that video, then come back and watch this. So, okay. Remember, it's for I in, stick with our range, then 3, close it. We don't need our colon. So now we come back and we do what we do with our I. So now we're going to put our variable up front. So that's where this would go. So list range 3 space. Alright, do this 3 times and this is our variable. This right here is sitting our variable going into our list. So I forget something. Do I have enough commas? Nope. Did you see how that spaced weird? Because I forgot a parentheses around my list. So okay. And I knew that because it didn't go back to my line naturally. It indented. So okay. Let's check it. Let's test and see if I did this right. So boom. X was the longhand way with our for loop. Y printed out with our list comprehension. So this is a list comprehension version of for loop list of lists. I was just thinking about that after I was ending, and I said we're doing some pretty complicated stuff, so I wanted to make sure you knew how to do the shorthand way to get your list of lists. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave any comments, questions, or video requests below. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.